Howdy, Jason here from Online Outdoors. Now clearly I'm not in the outdoors right now. I'm in my office, in my house. And that's because it's pouring rain outside. Pouring. So I thought this was a good time to do a video to show you one of my favorite naturalist tools out there. And it's an app called iNaturalist. I am a naturalist. I've studied plants for quite some time now, but in California, where I live, there are an estimated over 9,000 plants that are endemic to California. That means that they come from here. They come from this region. So I can't imagine one day that I will remember all 9,000 of those different plants, right? I know a lot of plants, but that's a lot of plants. And then scale that to the whole world. There's thousands and millions of plants, right? So I use this iNaturalist app to help me identify plants that I don't quite know yet, or maybe ones that I just don't remember the name. So I'm gonna show you how to use this app. It's pretty easy. What you're gonna do is look up iNaturalist in the App Store on your device. Now, there are a bunch of plant identification apps out there, but what I think makes iNaturalist the best is, number one, it's totally free and there are no ads. Number two, it was developed by the California Academy of Science, so it's about learning. No one's trying to make any money off of it. Number three, it can identify plants and animals and insects and pretty much every living thing. And number four, the observations are all verified by other citizen scientists, so you don't have to just hope that the app is right. You get the help of all the experts out there. So you fire up the app and you get an intro screen and it shows you the process. First, you take a clear full frame photo of whatever you're trying to identify. Then you run it through the app and it helps you identify that item. And then finally, you can confirm those findings with the other 400,000 naturalists who are using the app. 400,000. And it's really cool because your observation and photos are used by scientists so we can all learn more about the environment. So you just create an account and then you are ready to go. You just saw some of the inner workings and how to set up the iNaturalist app. Now for here right now, I'm going to use my iPad mini. When I'm out in the field, when I'm actually on a hike or walking around my neighborhood, I use my smartphone. It's the easiest way, a lot less bulky, and almost everybody has them nowadays, even a lot of kids. And for my test subject, I'm going to use this plant right here that lives in my bedroom. So, first things first, we're going to fire up the iNaturalist app. Boop. We're going to tap on Observe at the bottom of the screen, and we're going to take a picture of the plant. You want to try and get a full leaf, and if there's flowers or berries, even better. Try and get some leaves and some flowers and some berries, acorns, whatever defining features you can capture in one shot. It just helps it identify better. So we tap on Next. We tap on What did you see? And it's going to search for us. It's going to suggest various different possibilities here. And there's a little info button on the side that you can tap to get more info, to look at more pictures, to compare it to what you're looking at so that you can know if this is the right one or not. Is this the right plant? And in this case, the first suggestion is fiddle leaf fig. And I happen to know that that's what this is. This is a fiddle leaf fig. Notice its leaves kind of look like a fiddle, right? Fiddle leaf fig. And then we just go to share. And it uploads and it adds to your observations that you've made. And it goes out into the cloud for other naturalists to come and confirm or suggest a different plant for whatever you're observing. So if they confirm, then they just say, yes, you're totally right, good job. If it's not quite that, listen to the experts. I don't like to be told I'm wrong either. But I've learned that the best way to learn is to be wrong. So I just go with what I can figure out through the app and from my own knowledge. And then if someone points out that I didn't quite get it right, that's okay. That now I've learned what it is, and next time I see it, I'll totally know. So that is iNaturalist. Download it on your phone. You can do it for plants in the house while it's a rainy day. You can do it around your yard, around your neighborhood next time you're on a walk. Either way, I think it's a pretty awesome tool, and it's how you start learning the plants, the different kinds of plants, how they look different. You start zooming in and looking at the different features and learning the names. And that, to me at least, me, the nerd, I love it. Hope you're having a great day and you're staying safe out there and warm and dry. And I'll talk to you next time.